Hi guys, and welcome to another web design video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we had a question on one of our videos. I use Google Chrome extensions quite often when I'm making my videos, and somebody asked, can you tell us about them? And they're really useful for web design. Just about every extension I've got up here was a free one, and you get these from the Chrome Web Store. And just do a search for what you're looking for up here. It'll pop up and you can go ahead and install it. So let's have a look. The first one I use here is WhatFont, which is great for analyzing other people's pages, or if somebody sends you a design that they like, you can check out what font it is. I know you can use the inspector to do that, but this is pretty handy because you can just click on it, go down and hover over a font. It'll tell you exactly what it is. If you click on it, it'll tell you the weight of it and the exact family, line height, and everything you want, color. So that's a useful little one there. This other one, this is voice-in-voice typing, and again this was another free one. I use this pretty often because I'm a pretty lousy typist, even though I've been doing it for years. Let's exit WhatFont, and I'm going to go to a contact page, and I'll enable this and just put my cursor in any contact form panel, and as you can see, it's already started recording what I'm saying. It's got it up here, it's added it down here, and you can say full stop. It'll put a full stop in it. New line, it'll start a new line. You do have to go through and correct, but it is pretty handy to use. And it's fairly accurate too. Seems to be getting better and better all the time. And again, that was a free one. At least it was free when I installed it. Okay, let's go back to where we were. I'll disable that one. Now here's one, LastPass. Again, this is free. They've just started charging for it. Now, I'm not going to open it because it will expose a lot of my passwords, but it saves the passwords whenever you go to a website, and I've got hundreds of websites, especially in my local host and when I go online working for clients, that I've got saved in my LastPass here. So let's go to one of my once you navigate to a page, you've got a little square right here. You can just click on it. It'll bring up a list of your LastPass usernames and passwords for this site, and there it is right there. Just hit the fill. It'll fill it in, and you can log right in like that. And that really is a useful one. I use this one all the time. I've got a tag inspector there, or tag assistant. I don't use that very much. Next door to that, I've got TubeBuddy, which obviously I use for my YouTube channel. And here's a keywords everywhere. Let's look at Walmart. If I click on this, this one was free, but now you actually have to buy credits. You can still analyze page content for keywords, but it won't give you the volume, CPC, competition, trend, etc. It will give you the actual keywords and the density that they've used there and how many times it's in there, which gives you an idea of what they're using on their site. So that's pretty useful too. And the credits aren't too much if you want to go more in depth and do research that way. To be honest, I use this occasionally if I do a browse for something. I actually get some data up here, and you usually get a list of keywords down here also. So that's a great little one too. And again, that was free for basic keyword research. Like I say, you have to get a few credits for that. And I'll put the names of all these below the video for anybody that's interested in using them. This next one, I use this all the time. GoFullPage. If we go to Walmart again, and all this does basically is take a full screenshot of your website page. This is great for giving clients a an image of the whole of one page on your site if you've got a long page. So it's just taking the screenshot there, and there's the full page image right there. And again, this one's called GoFullPage. And then you can download it either as a PDF or just as a ping, transparent image right there. And like I say, that's really useful. I use this all the time when I'm going back and forth with clients on designs and things like that. And it really is a great little feature, that one. So let's close that one down. And last but not least, here's one of my favorites that I use all the time, and it's a color picker. I'm going to skip over that one. That's a Kindle one. I don't use that very often. This one though is a color picker. So you can just click on any color anywhere and it'll tell you what that color is. And if you want to copy a color, just simply left click. You've got the hex code or the RGB there. Copy it and put it wherever you want it, in your Photoshop or your website or whatever it is. That's a really useful little one right there. So that's it really. Those are the main ones I use up there. WhatFont, voice and voice typing, LastPass. Don't use that very often. Tag Assistant, TubeBuddy obviously with my YouTube channel. Keywords Everywhere for a bit of keyword research. GoFullPage, which is great for taking full page screenshots, and you can put a PDF together of a whole website with full pages for clients if you want to. Don't use the Kindle very much, but that color picker all the time. Like I say, when I installed these were all actually free. LastPass now, I think it's free on one device, so if you've got computers you can use it free on several computers, but you can't use it on your phone without having the premium, or you can use it on your phone and not your computer, I believe. So have a look, and there's some great extensions out there, and if anybody's got any other ideas of extensions they use, please put it below the video so people can check out what you're doing. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.